Good morning here from Bangalore in India, and we were looking for breakfast on a very busy late Saturday morning. And near the place where I'm staying, there were people making dosa last night during the day on the street. And I thought that would be perfect, but they aren't there during the weekend, so it seems. So I'm looking for an alternative brekkie spot out here. So join us as we search for that perfect Bangalore breakfast. Big cart, shrine cart. I haven't seen one of those yet. I don't know if it's me, but there might be less street food today. Global chicken room veg. We got it here. Namaskar. Bhojan.
Yes, Tiffan.
Tiffan. What is Tiffan?
Dosa, palau.
Dosa
Palau.
is the special dosa palau.
Special dosa is mini masala dosa.
Ah, yeah?
Yes.
I want to try.
You want?
Egg dosa palau.
One dosa.
Egg dosa palau.
Rice. Palau means rice.
Ah, palau means rice.
Yes.
Sure. Yeah.
No, mini one palau.
Is it Bangalore? Is it
Yeah,
Bangalore
yeah, yeah,
style
yeah.
dosa? Acha.
Yeah.
Acha. No, I'll stand. I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. Oh, is the kitchen here?
Yes.
This is a homemade food.
Hey, what?
Homemade food.
Whoa, man. Here, no, it's like restaurant here, no?
Restaurant.
No?
This is a restaurant type, but this is a homemade food.
Homemade.
Yeah.
Homemade.
Homemade
Restaurant. And this is a palm leaf,
Banana
right?
leaf.
Banana leaf. Acha.
plantain.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಣ ಸಿಂಟರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೋಸೆ This is super. Okay. You
Yes.
want chutney?
Yeah, sure, chutney.
Spicy.
Yeah, a little spicy is okay. Acha.
Please sit there.
Yes.
You want?
No, not yet. In a second. Do you eat the banana leaf?
Yeah. No, no.
No, huh?
Only rice.
Only rice.
Rice. This is chutney.
Chutney.
This is potato spicy.
Chutney. And then there's like a dosa. Yeah.
Dosa is prepare the
Those
dosa.
are
Yeah,
preparing.
Yeah, I'll wait for a second.
This is palya. This sago. Potato.
Yes.
Please taste.
The plot is thickening. All right. Here you go, sir.
You wanna eat? Yeah.
Yeah, you can hold it there. Yeah. All right, let's go.
ನೀರು ಬಾಟ್ಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ
Water bottle.
taste it.
Mhm.
How much?
How is it?
It's good. So, but this is the spicy chutney.
Yeah.
No
green?
chutney, this is sago.
Sago.
This is chutney. That is sago.
Sago. It's a little bit spicy. Only a little bit.
Yeah,
Good.
little.
For me, this is my breakfast.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have to be super spicy. For dinner, I like good spice.
ಇವಾಗ ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಟಿಫನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಈಗ
ಬೇರೆ ತಾವು ಮಾಡೋದಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಾರ ಐತೆ
ಖಾರ ಅದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಖಾರ ಇದೆ
आपका नाम?
ಗೋಪಾಲ್
Is Gopal. Gopal homemade food.
ಗೋಪಾಲ್ ಟಿಫನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್
Tasty. Oh, nice.
ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ
ದೋಸೆ
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ತೋರ್ಸೋಣ
Oh, look at this. I have never seen anything like this. This is really Bangalore, huh?
Yeah.
Or is it Karnataka?
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಕಬ್ಬನ್ಪೇಟ್
Wow.
Your taste is very super.
Thank you. Oh, it's very hot. Oh.
Take.
Nice. No, it's okay, guys. It's okay. Thank you. Very nice.
This Karnataka state,
Yeah.
Bangalore city.
Let it cool down for us. Is this
Bangalore
water
city.
here?
Yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Mineral water.
You read my mind.
Bangalore city area name is Kabbanpet.
Yeah, this area is peat.
Kabbanpet.
Kabban.
Kabban.
Mark Kabban is there, no?
Pete.
British.
Yeah, it has a name
He's
after
there.
that. Pete. So,
Please taste.
how do I eat this now?
Mix.
You mix. You cut this dosa.
Uh-huh.
Cut.
Yes, yes. See, I'm getting good instructions because sometimes people comment and it's like, why are you eating like that? Why can't you eat like a normal person? It's like,
You take both. Both mix both.
I have to learn still.
Now you take.
Now I take.
Oh,
How is it?
How is it, sir?
Oh, let me taste, guys. Patience.
Dosa.
It's good.
How is it?
Eat, yeah.
It's cold.
It is tasty. And can I mix it with rice?
Yeah, no problem.
Some people out there, they get upset when you, for example, if you mix the rice with biryani, no, not with the biryani, with the curry.
100%.
Or the butter chicken, you put the rice. Oh no, why is Videshi putting the rice?
This is 100% vegetarian.
100%
Veg.
veg. It's okay for lunch. I like veg. Breakfast, lunch, veg. In the evening, I want some non-veg.
Non-veg.
You prepare-
Acha.
His wife. His wife.
His son.
It's the whole parivar here.
Yeah. Both of customer. We
We are both customer.
Me too.
Next, where are you going?
More India. Maybe Chennai, maybe Kochi.
No.
And then I need to go out for a few weeks because of visa. Maybe go to Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
So I hear there is no boat to Sri Lanka.
Mhm.
I thought maybe boat, ferry to Sri Lanka. But there is no ferry, yeah?
Only flight.
Only fly, yeah? Or swim.
Sri Lanka is Diwali, no?
It is. Sri Lanka is island. That is also island.
Yeah, exactly. But I thought it's so close, you know, where is the boat? Nice to meet you, gentlemen.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thanks for showing me
Thank you.
how to eat. I don't know if I'm eating correctly, but I try to learn. Have a very good day.
Thank you.
Namaste. Thank you.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Bye-bye.
Arana.
That was the last bite. That was very tasty, sir. Is there a way where I can maybe clean the hands? Maybe some washing. Yeah, perfect. You know, in Bangalore, I see this a lot more, the hand washing. Like made convenient. Swadish. Anyway. Kitna pesa?
80, sir.
80. Acha. Oh. Now, what was the name of that? It's dosa
Sir. Mini masala dosa.
mini
Mini masala dosa.
mini masala dosa.
So your name, sir?
Pedro. Pedro. Yes, sir. Have a look in the kitchen here. Namaste. This is where the magic happens. Very nice. Thank you.
So can I take one photo?
Yeah, check, come. Odaya.
Mama.
Ah, mama. Yeah, that's it. No shine. No shine. Acha. Thank you, sir. Have a very good day.
Oh, thanks, sir.
And I can properly start exploring Bangalore with a full stomach. Sukriya. Oh. All right. I'm happy we fixed that. Now I think I need a place to chill and chai.